it's a great pleasure for me to be with Diego. Hi, Diego.
Good. How are you doing, friend?
I'm fine. Great pleasure to have you here. Let's first talk about your first time in Europe and particularly in France.
It's amazing. This place is going nuts over fitness, so I'm happy to be here.
And compared to the States, you just tell me that in Europe it's not as developed as in the States.
Well, yeah, in America, fitness is really big. Here, it seems like it's starting to grow more. So, you know.
As far as QNT is concerned, I imagine you're really proud of being a part of the team. And since QNT is really famous in the States, but even more in Europe, it's important for you.
Oh, absolutely. The thing is, they're in 52 countries, and it's great meeting people from all over the world. You know, that's like the most amazing part. And then I get to talk about my passion. So it's a great job.
A great job, but also a great work. A work that has been beginning. When did you begin working out, and when did you begin, and how with fitness?
Well, I started in school with athletics and training, but my body wasn't quite ready yet. So when I got into college, I needed to gain some upper body strength, and that's when I took it more seriously. That's when I started, you know, being consistent, learning, applying, and you know, every year I made my gains, and I slowly became addicted to the fitness lifestyle, where you know, it became part of me.
It's an addiction, as you say, and it's also a pleasure.
Absolutely, because it's good for many things, as you know. Aesthetically, we all know what it does, but mentally, it's a cleansing. You know, it's my time. I decompress. I get rid of all my stress, and I wake up the next day feeling great.
A question, Diego. What do you know about the fitness world?
Well, I'm known for my abs, so I'll show you.
Okay. It's better than many words. Just to see, just to have a look.
So yeah, this is what I'm known for, and I actually have an app that's coming out. It explains on how to achieve this look.
So let's talk about how to achieve these goals. You're 43 years old. Is it more difficult, I imagine, than when you are a 20 years old boy?
No, I don't think it gets more difficult. The thing is, when you get older, your life gets busier. So the main thing is managing time and applying it to your life. When you're younger, you have all the time in the world.
And when you are older, it's more difficult in terms of nutrition.
Absolutely. When you get older, you really have to be very key on nutrition. When you're younger, you know, you have your youth and genetics to get you a little bit further. But when you get older, you don't have that slack.
Let's focus on nutrition and particularly QNT products.
Absolutely. Well, when I was younger, I was never lactose intolerant. Now at 43, I am. And like, they have a Medipure, which is a zero carb, lactose-free protein, which I drink about 2 of them a day in between my 3 meals. And when you're busy, it's the best. You know, you don't have to cook, you don't have to go to somewhere to eat. It's right there for you, quick and convenient.
Nutrition, diet is also important. Is it 50% training and working out and 50%? Is it a good mix?
It's a mixture, absolutely. But at the end of the day, it's 70% nutrition and 30% training, because you can never out-train a bad diet. You can work as hard as you want, but if you're not putting in the right nutrients in your body, you're not accomplishing results.
What do you appreciate in QNT products? You told me about lactose, and what else?
Well, what I like about QNT, they have a wide range of products. They have recovery, they have the proteins, they have the pre-workouts, they have the fat burners. So whatever your goals are, you can find what you need. And they're all very high-end European grade products.
Let's talk about the cover of the magazines. Many magazines, many covers. You're a fitness star, actually. How do you feel?
Well, I think I'm lucky to get to do what I'm doing. You know, I never looked to be a fitness model. Basically, my passion and my lifestyle transformed into this. So I never was, okay, I want to be a fitness model. This is something that evolved from my life, just being what it was.
You just mentioned the fact that it's a lifestyle.
Absolutely, it's not one thing. Of course, the supplements are one; they help you to a certain degree, but then you also have to have the consistency, the desire, the discipline, the knowledge of the training. You have to put all those ingredients together to see some results.
What could you sell, and what could you tell to people who are interested in fitness, whatever their level?
Whatever your level you are at, it always goes back to fundamentals. Learning correct form, correct nutrition, correct supplementation. You don't have to get too intricate. It doesn't have to be rocket science. But if you stick to the fundamentals and you're consistent, you'll always see results.
You talked about step by step, and when you began, you were really lean, just like me. What could be the next steps?
In intensive training. When I was younger, I did a lot of heavy to low weight supersetting. Really shock the muscle to get that muscle gain. And then of course you have your protein intake, and the right diet is immense to have muscle gain. So
we wish you all the best, Diego. Thanks very much.
thanks for having me, Fred. All right.